We use Pythagoras in order to find the missing side of a right angled triangle. In order to do that, you need two sides, and we're trying to find the third side. Formula for Pythagoras is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. But it's really important that we label it up correctly. The c has to be the hypotenuse, and the a and the b are the two shorter sides. It doesn't matter which in order the a and the b are in, as long as they're put on the shorter sides and not the hypotenuse. So a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So that tells us we're doing 4 squared plus 3 squared in order to get to c squared. 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. And then we have to square root that answer. The square root of 25 is going to be 5. Why do we have to square root it? Because that gave us the value of c squared. We just want the length c, so therefore we square root. Now that's if we're trying to find the longer side, the hypotenuse. What happens, however, if we're trying to find one of the shorter sides? So this time we're now no longer trying to find the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is 10. We're trying to find one of the shorter sides. So once again, c has to be the longer side. A and b can be in any order. Now, if we were to rearrange a squared plus b squared equals c squared, in order to find out what a squared would be, we would subtract the b squared from both sides. So a squared is equal to the hypotenuse squared, subtract the other shorter side squared. So shorter side, we're subtracting them. So we're going to be doing a squared is equal to 10 squared, subtract 5 squared. Well, that's 100, subtract 25, which is 75. A squared is equal to 75. So to find a, we need to do the square root of the 75. That can just be put straight into your calculator to give yourself an answer. If it was on a non-calculator paper, you'd leave your answer as square root of 75. So if you're finding the shorter side, either of the shorter sides you subtract, and if you're trying to find the hypotenuse, we add. Hope that helps. Save this for your revision and follow along for the next video.